know who it is, man. YG from the ass, blocker with a Glock.
Look at your man, si almost me is dead, mom. Pag namatay ka, lahat kami make fun. I'm like, what? Di raw bumaba, anong fake gun? Rapong best, si inikutan. Homie, say some. Talking tough nung bumaba, bitch, why you running fast? Daming sabi ako dito, now ang daming cash. No one's tryna be like you, little homie, can you shut your ass? Keep on talking shit about my homie, almost cut his ass. CK 8385, ganyang plate, tapos green card. Nanganganak na baby mama mo, need mo ng green card. Cabin, laka pa rin pera since the beef start. Tawagin mo Usuki, daming nagbigay ng discount. We on your ass kahit umilag ka. Di ko pinabigyang kulab kaya lumipat na. Di kami kaya naghanap ng simpatya. Talas mo rin no? Ang tanda mo na uhugin ka pa rin. Pusi ka, dating adik ka yung kulay blue na rin. Goofy ka, ako pa yung napili mong asarin. Hili ka, wala ng pera ka, kagit mo na siya bams, buti nga. Why you talking about that gang and shit? Can you stop? You ain't no gangbanger bitch. You won't fuck with us, you know that we got sticks. Maliita ka lang boy, you got the bricks. Tangina mo gang koy, wala kang pera. Nakikigangsta ka na rin pagkarakista di mabenta. Tamang damay to si adik pag wala na siyang matema. Tawagin mo kung polin-polin, iwan ka sa eksena. Running up that bag hanggang mas lumaki yung moves. Parang si Price nire-respeto ako ng gang sa aking uwi. Kilo guns man instead, sige tawagin mo kartel. Kung langit pakiramdam mabanggit kita, welcome sa hell. Push you on a headlock, bitch I'm from the S-block. Hero tryna spin, I told that boy go give him headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot.
May 1 unit pa.
Yeah, you dummy started this shit, man. Fuck out of here, man.
Patay, di namatay.
What?
Ano na, down, pre.
Boom,
Tara, pwede natin akitin ulit, mostly. Tara.
LPS
Down. Ewan ko. Meron pa sa LS ha?
Ito, LS lang.
LS.